Hazrat Sayyid bin Jubair has reported from Ibn Abza said to me, ask Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu about Allah's saying, and whoso kills a Muslim willfully, then his recompense is hell. And kill not the soul which Allah has forbidden unjustly, and do not commit adultery. And whosoever does this shall get the punishment. The torment shall be multiplied to him on the day of resurrection, and he shall abide therein forever disgraced. But he who repents. So I asked him, whereupon he said, when this verse was revealed, the Makkans said, we used to associate partners with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, kill the soul which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden, and we also committed vulgar acts, whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, but he who repents and believers and does good deeds, then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will change the vices of such person with virtues, and Allah is forgiving, merciful. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4765.